Hello, on this video I'm going to show you how to add a new blog article to your Joomla website from the front end. To do this we need to log in, so let's click login. After that we're looking for an option to actually add the blog. Often it'll be within the menu structure which will appear once logged in, and as you can see it says new blog. So we'll click on that, which opens up our familiar WYSIWYG editor. And now we can start taking our content in, which I've prepared here. We've got a title and 3 paragraphs of just dummy content. So let's take our title across by copying and pasting, and then go for our content, our 3 paragraphs of copying, pasting, which will bring up an option here to paste in with, and this is trying to cut out the option of taking in styles that you don't really want. After that, we can now click save, and now we've created our first article. Go back to the blog where it's being published, and we can see we've got our third article in our blog in position now. There's a couple of other little things we're going to quickly do just to give you a feel for things. We're going to now add our image to match the others. So we're going to click where we want it. We're going to go to our media manager or insert edit image. And we're going to find the image of cat that we want. We're going to insert it, we're going to align it to the left, and we're going to give a margin to the right of 10 pixels and insert. And we've added our image of a cat in. And the last thing we're going to quickly do is we're going to add in a read more link. There it is there. I think we've got an extra space, let's remove that. There we go, and click save. And now we can see we've got our third article in position nicely there. One other thing I'll quickly mention is article ordering, and what order the articles will position themselves in relation to the other. By default it's set to the most recent first, and as our third article here was published right now, it is the most recent, so it's going to be at the top. If you want to adjust this, so it's pretty straightforward, we can go in and we can go edit the article that you want to reposition in relation to the other articles, and go to publishing and look for the start publishing date. The most recent article will be at the top, so today's date will always be at the top. So you can adjust the dates of the publishing of the articles to control their position overall. Other little sneaky thing you can choose to do is you can add a finish publishing date in, and with the start publishing it doesn't need to be today, you can have it in the future, so it can be ready to go for a future date. Other things we should be conscious of is our metadata. This is adding a reasonable description up to 165 characters, which will help the article rank within Google and basically tell Google and the search engines what this article is about. Once you've completed all of these different elements, all you need to do is click save, and that will be you finished and added your third blog article. Hopefully you find this video helpful when working on your own Joomla website.